Okay, so that is negative 5 minus 8i. This is subtraction, so we just group like terms. So we group the real part and the imaginary. Let's just remove the parentheses first. So this is negative 5 minus 8i minus 7 plus 4i. Then negative 5 goes with negative 7. So negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12. Then negative 8i goes with positive 4i. Negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4i. So the answer is negative 12 minus 4i. But you don't see my writing on the board? Okay. But you know how to do this? Yeah, make sure you know how to do this. Then next one, what's that? Negative 7 minus 5i minus 3 minus 8i. So we get rid of the parentheses. It will become negative 7 minus 5i minus 3 plus 8i. So this is negative 10. And negative 5 plus 8 is 3i. So that is negative 10 plus 3i. Okay, next one. 7 minus 6i minus negative 10 plus 2i. So this is 7 minus 6i plus 10 minus 2i. Then 7 plus 10 is 17. Negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8i. Can you still see my writings on the board? Okay. No, 17. 17. It's not 27. Okay. Then next one is negative 10 plus 7i plus negative 3 plus 4i. So this is negative 10 plus 7i minus 3 plus 4i. Oh, negative 13. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11i. So negative 13 plus 11i. Alright. That one. Yeah, it's the same. It's about complex numbers. Okay. Multiply imaginary numbers. Alright. Negative, what's that? Negative square root of negative 6 times square root of 7. So negative square root of negative 6 is 6i. No, I square root of 6. So I square root of 6 times square root of 7. So this would become negative I square root of 42. But can we reduce 42? Make sure one of the numbers is, what's this? A perfect square. So how do we reduce 42? Yeah, so we just leave the answer as it is. So that is negative I square root of negative 1 is I. So do you know how to do this? Yeah, make sure you know how to do this. Oh, we don't need to simplify. All right. The next one was that 2 square root of negative 54 times 10 square root of 48. So this one is 2i square root of 54 times 10 square root of 48. So this is 20i square root of 54 times 48. Okay, how do we reduce 54 and 48? So we can 16. So we can write 54 as 9 times 6. And 48 divide 16. 16 and 3. So we can write this as, since 9 and 16 are perfect squares, so we can write this as 20i. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4, right? So we're left with square root of 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 3 is 18, so that is 9 times 2, right? So that means we can put square root of 9 is 3, so we can put 3 outside. So we'll be left with, this is just times 3 square root of 2. So we have 20 times 12 times 3. We'll see. 720i square root of 2. Let's just check. Just want to check. 60, and then 4 times 10, 40. So 40 times 60. Hold on. As 9 times 6, right? We were right. Is that correct? This one is 9 times 6, right? And this one is 16 times 3. So if you put 3 outside, this would be 9 times, no, that is 2 times 3. And this one is 10 times 4. Square root of 6, square root of 3. So that is 40 times 6. So 240. Then 6 times 3 is 18. 9 times 2, 240 times 3. Yeah, it's 720. Alright, okay. The next one, was that correct? 5 square root of 81 times 5 square root of negative 4. So this is, square root of 81 is 9. So this is 5 times 9 times 5. Square root of negative 4 is 2i. Right? Then this is 45 times 10i. 45 times 10, it's 450i. Are we right? Correct? Yay! Got a perfect score. I like this. Like when you share the screen. Yeah, the same with my other students, they do like this. So 2 square root of negative 2, 5 square root of 3. So square root of negative 2 is 2i square root of 2 times 5 square root of 3. So this is 10i square root of 6. Right. And we cannot further reduce that. It's 10i, okay. Yay. Okay, the next one is square root of negative 9 times negative 7 square root of negative 100. Square root of 9 is 3, right? So this one is 3i times negative 7 square root of negative 100 is 10i. So this is 3i times negative 70i. So 70 times 3, that is 210. So this is negative 210. I times I is I squared. And I squared is equal to negative 1. So this is negative 210 times negative 1 is just equal to 210. Okay. It's getting complicated. Simplify the expression to, okay, negative square root of 16 plus square root of negative 72 plus square root of 121 plus square root of negative 2. So let's simplify first. 16 is 4 squared, right? 72. What are we? 72. Okay, this can be 9 times 8, right? And 121, is this 11 squared? 11 squared. Okay, then we can write this, okay, plus square root of negative, and we can simplify. So this is negative 4 plus 3i square root of 8 plus 11 plus I square root of 2. But then 8 can be written as, can be factored as 4 and 2, right? This is square root of 4 times 2. So this is negative 4 plus 3i times 2 square root of 2 plus 11 plus I square root of 2. Then let's simplify. So this is negative 4 plus 6i square root of 2 plus 11 plus I square root of 2, and then we group like terms. Negative 4 and 11 go together, they're alike. So 11 minus 4, 7, and then 6i plus I, so that is 7i square root of 2. So the answer is 7 plus 7i square root of 2. Did we get it correctly? I didn't review. Oh, we did. Oh my. All right. Okay. Next. What's that? Square root of 100 minus square root of negative 7 plus square root of 36 minus square root of 63. This is fun. Right? Okay, 100, you can write this as 10 squared. 36, 6 squared. How about 63? Nine times 7. Okay, negative. Okay, then we simplify. So square root of 10 squared is 10 minus square root of 7, negative 7 is I square root of 7 plus square root of 6 squared is 6 minus square root of negative 9 times 7 is 3i square root of 7. Then we group like terms. 10 goes with 6, so that is 16. Negative I minus 3i is negative 4i square root of 7. So that is 16 minus 4i square root of 7. Yeah, okay. We haven't got a mistake yet. I hope we don't get any mistakes. So this is square root of 81 plus square root of, this is only practice, not your homework. Okay, square root of negative 96. So 81 is 9 squared. What about 150? 150 is 25 times 6. 25 times 6. 16 is 4 squared. 96. Is divisible by 16. Okay, 16 times 6. Yeah. Alright. Then, okay, this is square root. Then we can simplify. Square root of 9 squared, that is 9. Plus square root of 25 is 5. This is negative. So that is 5i square root of 6 plus 2. Oh, we have a typhoon. Strong typhoon. It's so windy outside. Then minus 4i square root of 6 plus 4. Oh, here, yeah, because that is 16. I was distracted with the strong winds outside. So square root of 81 is 9. Yeah, we always have typhoons here, like more than 20 typhoons in 1 year. So 25 times 6, just to make sure this is correct. 5i square root of 6 plus 4 minus 4i square root of 6. Okay, now we can group like terms. 9 goes with 4, that is 13. 5 minus 4, that is 1, so that is I squared of 6. So 13 plus I squared of 6. Yeah. When is your exam? Yeah. Did you get a perfect score last time? Close to it, yeah. You just have to like review your answers. You answer them fast and review them, and make sure you answer them really correctly. You solve them. Okay, negative square root of 4 plus square root of negative 25 minus square root of 4 plus square root of negative 16. So this is negative square root of 4 is 2 plus square root of negative 25 is 5i minus 2 plus 4i. Then negative 2 minus 2, negative 4 plus 9i. Did you get it correctly? 4, negative 2 plus 5i minus 2 plus 4i. Okay, negative 4 plus 9i. I think that one was the simplest. I was worried. Yeah, I was worried we got it like got a mistake. Okay, the next one. Square root of 100 plus square root of negative 200 plus square root of 1 plus square root of negative 72. Alright. 100 can be written as 10 squared, right? And 200 is 100 times 2. So that is 10 squared times 2. Negative. Then square root of 1 is 1. 72. 72 is divisible by 9. 72. What else? 72. Is it divisible by? No. Okay. Just write this as negative 9 and 8. I was shocked by my neighbors, like, help. She was screaming. Did you hear that? Good. Because I'm using noise cancelling. This one. So you can't hear it. So square root of 100 is 10. Then plus 10i square root of 2. Square root of 1 is 1, right? Then plus 3i square root of 8. But 8 can be written as 4 times 2. Yeah? So this is just 10 plus 10i square root of 2 plus 1 plus 3i times 2 square root of 2. Then we simplify. This is 10 goes with 1. 10 goes with 1, so 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 10i square root of 2 plus 6i square root of 2. And then we simplify. This is just 11. 10i plus 6i, that is 16. 16i square root of 2. So 11 plus 16i square root of 2. Yay! We got everything perfectly. Okay. You have more problems? Alright.